Number 2 is the official Creality 3D printer Ender 5S1. If you are searching for a cutting-edge 3D cookie cutter printing solution that combines speed, precision, and innovation, look no further than the official Creality Ender 5S 3D printer. This remarkable machine redefines the boundaries of cookie cutter printing, offering several features designed to elevate your creative abilities to new heights. With the ability to achieve speeds of up to 250 mm per second, the Ender 5S slit printing times by a staggering 65%. This is achieved through a refined motion system, where each X, Y, and Z axis self-praises its standalone motor. With astounding acceleration of up to 2000 mm/s superscript 2 and synchronized Y-axis belts via a steel transmission shaft. The ability of this printer up to 300 degrees Celsius temperatures, and this marvel features a titanium heat break that resists heat creep, a cleverly designed corrugated heatsink for swift cooling, and a spacious 50 mm superscript 3 melting chamber that ensures filament is flawlessly liquefied. With a printing size of 220 by 220 by 280 millimeters, it is the best choice for you to make great masterpieces. The official Creality Ender 5S 3D printer is a masterpiece of engineering that combines printing speed, accuracy, and functionality in an attractively designed cookie-cutter printing package. If you're a professional creator, an enthusiast, or a hobbyist, this printer stands ready to modify your 3D printing journey. This masterpiece is available for purchase now, and the link has been provided in the description below.